Do you want to speak for a minute without getting stuck? Let me introduce with you the very famous p.e.e.l method. P.e.e.l is a super easy structure to organize your answer. Welcome back to my channel. It's day 5 of speaking challenge and I hope you all are taking it with me very seriously. So, in p.e.e.l, what P stands for? P is for point. You have to point the question with your answer. The next E is for explain. You have to explain your answer a bit to make it look fluent. Next, another E is for example. Add a relevant example to your answer. And the last L is link. Link your answer back to the question. So let's practice this with a very simple question. And the question is, do you like traveling? If somebody asks you, do you like traveling? How to answer this basic question with the p.e.e.l method? Let's look it in this video. P is for point. So you have to answer the question with a simple pointing method that yes, I really enjoy traveling. Then you have to explain why you enjoy traveling. You have to add a sentence. The explanation could be because it helps me relax and experience new cultures. The next example, you have to add your own relevant example to the question. For example, I visited Goa last year and really loved the beaches and food there. At the end, you have to link everything with your question. For that, you can say, so I travel whenever I have free time. So this is the main formation of the answer with very easy p.e.e.l method. Now, wrap up your answer. If somebody asks, do you like traveling? You can say, yes, I really enjoy traveling because it helps me relax and experience new cultures. For example, I visited Goa last year and really loved the beaches and food. So I try to travel whenever I have free time. C. You can easily speak for a minute. This structure helps you sound fluent without getting stuck. So, follow for more 1 minute speaking challenge and see you in the next video. And I really want you to suggest me that which random topic we should speak about in our next video.